Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake with 785 horsepower. And you say to yourself, BamaCooley, you've already reviewed one of these. You are completely right. And if you want to see the full review, you can find it. I'll put the link in the description. However, never turn down an opportunity to drive a fun truck or car. That is my motto, so come on, let's go. All right, everybody, I'm not going to do a full review and talk about the outside and the inside and everything like that, because if you're watching this channel, you pretty much already know about that. But I do like going over the performance and the power measurements. So here you have the Coyote 5.0 liter V8 with a 3-liter Whipple supercharger on it, cranking out 785 horsepower and about 640, 650 pound-feet of torque. This will do 0 to 60, depending on what publication you read, anywhere from 3.5 to 3.8, 0 to 60. So it's fast as hell, and that's not all. It comes with the upgraded exhaust system. It comes with rear adjustable Fox shocks. It comes with increased performance plugs with the .028 gap. It also comes with upgraded fuel injectors. So this thing is tricked out for maximum power and maximum performance. Even has the carbon fiber air intake. So it's an awesome truck to drive, and that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to waste your time with reviewing everything else, because you want to see what it's like to be driving inside this bad Oscar, and we're about to go. All right, let's go for a drive. So yes, I've reviewed these trucks before. This is the street version, and I've reviewed both the street and off-road version, but I will never turn down the opportunity to drive and review another Shelby Super Snake. I absolutely love driving these, and I think they're fun as hell. 785 horsepower of the supercharged V8, 3-liter supercharger. Now, this one only has 29 miles, so we're not going to do a 0 to 60, and I don't think I've done a 0 to 60 in a Super Snake, so we're not going to do one here. And I do have the display set for off-road status because I think it looks actually pretty cool, and maybe I'll put it in the other one. Let's see, we're in sport. But anyway, you can change this display and have fun with it and do whatever you want. But I love driving these trucks. They got the upgraded suspension, they got the exhaust, they got the horsepower, they got all the carbon fiber and upgraded leather on the inside. Now, the MSRP for this is probably, I think it's about 140. So theoretically, you could just buy a Lariat and put a 3-liter supercharger on it from Whipple, use their tune or tune it yourself, and be in about the same boat, because you can put in the high performance spark plugs and the upgraded injectors as well. But you know, it's whatever you want to do. These trucks are popular, they do sell a lot of them, and people want that Super Snake badging, and if you got the money to do it, go at it. I can't fault you. So we're going to go back here into the research park area, try to get a few little curves, kind of show the handling of this. But listen to this. Does that not sound effing amazing? Like, you get more supercharger whine in this than you do in like the Raptor R, in my opinion. And of course you get the exhaust too, but it seems like you really have to get on it in the R to hear the supercharger whine. Awesome sounding. Of course, this is red with the white racing stripes. I believe Woody Anderson has a white one with the black racing stripes, and I think they have a black one with the white racing stripes. Or maybe it's the gray racing stripes. So instead of chrome wheels and the chrome tailpipes, this actually comes with the black wheels and the black tailpipes to go with this red and white, which I think looks a lot better. I'm not a chrome guy. There's a lot of people that are, and certain colors can pull it off. But if I have my choice in it, then I'm probably going to black everything out instead of going with chrome. To me, and this is just my personal opinion, when I see a bunch of chrome on something like that, it makes me think of an old man or something. I don't want to be an old man. I feel old enough. I don't need to have chrome tires and chrome tailpipes too. We'll be able to get a good takeoff here as we're going around this, turning on this road. God, this truck's fun. I need to start doing these driving POVs at night so you can see, like, really see the dashboard and the screen and the ambient lighting on all the vehicles I review. So I think they just look, especially some of the sports sedans and sedans, all look really cool at night with the ambient lighting. But thing is just fun, man. This does have the covered bed. It's carpeted in the back, and it does have the covered bed that locks. There she goes. We're going to turn around here and get going really good on it. We're starting to enter a school zone here. All right, as Rady Rides would say, on throttle. Out of my way. I guess they didn't get the memo that I was reviewing today. Great driving truck. I highly recommend, if you've never driven a Super Snake, to go drive one. Even if it's just for a test drive, go drive one. They sound amazing and they're fun as hell to drive. Sure, there's a lot of traffic in Mexico today. went something in the back. All right, everybody, that's the review of the 2025 F-150 Shelby Super Snake. Fun as hell to drive. And listen to this. Whoa! Oh, I can't. The supercharger whine and the exhaust just sound amazing. Can't hear enough of it. So we're going to head on back to the dealer, wrap this up, and we'll check y'all out in a minute. Hope y'all enjoyed the ride along. I try to make this POV as fun as possible so you get the actual feeling of what it's like to be inside this truck and feel the torque, feel the horsepower, and of course hear all the nice sounds. So we'll catch y'all here in a little bit. See you in a few. There you have it, everybody, the 2025 Ford Shelby Super Snake. Part supercar, part pickup, fun as hell to drive. Special shout out to my friends at Woody Anderson Ford. If you're interested in this or any other Ford, please see my friend Phil, ask for him, and he'll take care of you. I'll put the information in the description. And remember, when you catch yourselves in the back roads of Tijuana, like I was today, and you got a fun car or truck, go ahead and give it the business and have a good time with it. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one, everybody.